Hello, my name is Frank Reichmann and today I would like to talk about our product Berutemp PE 210HS, which is our solution for challenging applications such like the lubrication of high-speed bearings as they are requested for electromobiles, for example. The next slide explains what this high speed actually means to a bearing. Once the bearing is operating at the speed of 30,000 RPM, the balls are traveling with a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. This might not seem to be too impressive, but please consider they are traveling on an extremely narrow radius. Due to this, they are feeling an acceleration of 5,340 times their weight. Such a small ball in the bearing will feel a weight of 16 kg. And if the bearing is even faster, traveling at a speed of 60,000 RPM, it will be a speed of 240 kilometers per hour, which is already the speed of a Formula 1 car. And this tiny ball will feel the weight of 64 kg. The FAG WS22 test rig has proven to be an excellent tool for the assessment of the high-speed property of greases. The spindle bearings for testing the grease are having exactly the dimensions as they were discussed before. The rig can run at a speed of 60,000 RPM, even though greases are hardly able to reach 50,000 RPM, what is already a speed factor of more than 2 million millimeter per minute. At 50,000 RPM, the balls in the test bearings are traveling at the speed of 200 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of a sports car? And this is what it feels like standing next to the machine. Our new high-speed grease, Berutemp PE 210HS, is an ester-based polyurea. In the FAG WS22 test rig, it was operated at a speed of 53,000 RPM without any damage. Friction was found to be extremely low. Therefore, Berutemp PE 210HS has 4 striking properties. First of all, extremely high speed limit of 2.25 million millimeter per minute. Second, a very low noise level of GN3, GN4, according to the SKF Be Quiet test. At the same time, it has a rather high base viscosity of 100 centistokes that allows also operation at a lower speed, and finally an energy I class of 2. If you want to learn more about Berutemp PE 210HS, please contact me directly or check the link above.